day break because it's his birthday. So he wanted to do something special. We're going out to some place. Luckily we found this place and it's budget friendly.
You found the place. I didn't find the place.
Yeah, he doesn't
and
know.
it's a surprise for me. So she's gonna tell me right now what's the surprise. Where are we going?
Why should I tell you? It's a surprise. That is why it's called a surprise, isn't it?
अरे यार.
So we are going to go to this place that we actually discovered last year. And if I give you some hints, you'll be able to guess what it is. So this place is very beautiful and quite undiscovered. It's a beautiful resort. And I'm actually giving him this surprise because I don't have any other gift for him. We went to this place right after our wedding. Do you know?
Okay, ठीक है. I get it. That's a beautiful place. Yeah. I love it.
Do you?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's an awesome place.
So we are already here and this is our own villa. Gautam hasn't seen it. He's gonna come in now.
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah,
How's it?
is a porch.
Yeah.
Second one.
We'll have our morning tea here. Can I go in first?
Yeah, sure.
Hi lovely people. This is Nikita.
And this is Gautam.
Welcome to Authentic Marriage Diaries and this is our birthday special episode.
So मेरे ना एक बात समझ में नहीं आई निकिता. मेरे पास एक क्वेश्चन था पूछने के लिए. क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर एक लड़का और लड़की को प्यार हो जाता है, ठीक है, और दोनों अलग अलग स्टेट से हैं और दोनों को एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, तो सबसे पहली चीज़ क्या करना पड़ेगा उनको रिलेशनशिप बढ़ाने के लिए?
Interesting. Reminds me of the movie Two States वाला. एक पंजाब से था and then the girl is from Chennai. I think अगर common language नहीं है तो फिर एक दूसरे का लैंग्वेज सीखना पड़ेगा, है ना? So that there is some communication.
या और अगर इंडिविजुअल एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज सीखना ही नहीं चाहते तो क्या होगा?
That brings into a difficult position. Obviously अगर एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज सीखने नहीं चाहेंगे तो कम्युनिकेशन होगा कैसे? क्योंकि बहुत समय तक हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं जब कॉमन लैंग्वेज नहीं है, तो अगर कब तक बात ऐसे करते रहेंगे ना, खाना दे दो, पानी दे दो ना, उसके अलावा अगर ऐसे पूछना है कि तुम्हारा दिन कैसा था या आज मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस इट? वो कैसे एक्सप्रेस होगा? सो दैट इज व्हाई यू नीड टू लर्न ईच अदर्स लैंग्वेज.
अच्छा.
है ना? जो नाइस वो कुछ मसालेदार चीजें होती हैं, अगर वो लैंग्वेज ही नहीं समझ आती है तो फिर बात ही कैसे होगी?
एग्जैक्टली. एक चीज़ याद आ रहा है, जब हम बचपन में ना इंग्लिश मूवी देखते थे, तो इंग्लिश मूवी में अगर कोई जोक मारता था मूवी में तो 2 मिनट बाद हंसी आती थी क्योंकि 2 मिनट बाद समझ आता था, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट माई लैंग्वेज एंड वो तो हमारा तो कॉमन लैंग्वेज है. इसकी भी यू नो लैंग्वेज हिंदी है, मेरी भी लैंग्वेज हिंदी है, तो आई थिंक आवर मैरिज इज सक्सेसफुल. यही कहने का मतलब है कि अगर हमारा लैंग्वेज सेम है, क्योंकि आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ द पीपल आई नो उनकी सेम लैंग्वेज है, हिंदी है, तो उनकी मैरिज तो सक्सेसफुल होनी चाहिए. इसका मतलब
married couples, the couples in relationship whom you ever are seeking to be in relationship with, उसमें there is more than language.
Yeah.
Linguistics से ज़्यादा there is more than that, and that is called as, you want to tell me what it is?
इट्स नोन एज लव लैंग्वेज. यू नो तुम्हें अब एक दूसरे की लैंग्वेज जरूर आती होगी, बट यू नोइंग ईच अदर्स लव लैंग्वेज, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट.
So people, in this video, we're going to share about love languages. ये love languages है क्या?
Love language is a way you express your love to your partner, to your family members, to to your brother, sister, how you express your love. So that is called love language. And how do you speak that? So let's say, when she comes from work, she gives me a tight hug. मुझे गले में आती है, I feel loved. I feel loved. But if I do the same thing, if I am out and she is waiting for me and I come out from work and I do the same, she doesn't feel loved. But she feels loved if I leave a text message. मैं उसको मैसेज करता हूँ ना, तो she feels loved. So I think the way she expresses love is different. She wants love is different, and how I want love is different.
So the way you express your love to the others is most likely the way you like to receive love from others. For example, मुझे शायद गौतम को टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस या रिटन नोट देना ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो मोर लाइकली इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन कि मुझे यही गौतम से भी एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी दैट ही शोज मी लव इन द सेम वे. इफ ही डज दैट टू मी, आई विल फील लव्ड and I will feel very valued, right?
Yeah. Every individual has a different love language. If there are 4 people in the family, all of them are going to have different love language. पापा का कुछ अलग लव लैंग्वेज होगा, मम्मी का कुछ और होगा. जैसे मम्मी का हो सकता है केयरिंग फॉर अदर्स, सर्विंग अदर्स, सबके लिए प्रोवाइड करना, है ना. पापा का हो सकता है मे बी हैविंग एवरीवन टुगेदर, है ना, हैविंग अ फैमिली टुगेदर, क्वालिटी टाइम हो सकता है. सो एवरीवन इन द फैमिली हैज अ डिफरेंट लव लैंग्वेज.
तो फिर अब आप जितने लोग देख रहे हो इस वीडियो को, आप सबका एक अलग लव लैंग्वेज होगा. जो मेरा लव लैंग्वेज है जरूरी नहीं है वो आपका हो, जो गौतम का लव लैंग्वेज है वो जरूरी नहीं है मेरा हो. सो जितने लोग उतनी ज्यादा लव लैंग्वेजेस. कभी कभी मैच भी हो जाते हैं, इफ यू आर लकी इनफ, दोनों सेम लव लैंग्वेज वाले भी मिल जाते हैं. But when you have a different love language than your spouse, then that gives you a challenge. That builds you stronger. कि कैसे हम एक दूसरे के बारे में सीख सकते हैं, एक दूसरे को प्यार दे सकते हैं in different ways, right? And that keeps us growing.
That's true. So there are 5 different love languages that we are going to talk about.
And these are the 5 main ones according to the research done by Dr. Gary Chapman. And he is the author of this wonderful book called 5 Love Languages. And it's such a beautiful book. We would recommend you to read it. And so we're going to talk about the 5 love languages.
So the first one is words of affirmation. Saying supportive words to your partner, to the loved ones. That's called words of affirmation.
The second one is acts of service. Doing helpful things for your partner. So it can be your family member, your friend, or your spouse, your partner.
Third one is receiving gifts. When you give gifts, जब आप गिफ्ट देते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब पार्टनर ये सोचता है कि हाँ ये मेरे बारे में सोच रहा था, जब काम से वापस आ रहा था गिफ्ट लेके आया, ये मेरे बारे में सोच रहा था. तो receiving gifts is the third one.
The fourth one is quality time. Now quality times means spending meaningful time with your partner.
Fifth one is physical touch. This is my favorite one. Being close and touching your partner gently and lovingly. So that is the fifth one.
Yes. It is said that your emotional love language and the love language of your spouse may be as different as Chinese from English.
That's amazing. That's a good question. Arises, how do we meet deep emotional need to feel loved?
Yes. We need to recognize how we feel each other's needs and how can we fulfill those needs. And if we reach to the root and we identify it, then there can be nothing that stops us from leading an exciting married life, exciting love life, even better than the time when we were infatuated.
Do you know one thing? हम सब अलग अलग तरीके से love receive करते हैं. We all are different. And we all receive love in different ways. Even your partner, learning how does your partner receive love, that's going to be amazing for your marriage life, है ना?
Yeah, that's true. Even asking your partner to give you love in the ways that you receive it in the best way, right? Now, if you learn to do that, first, learning how your partner receives love and then asking your partner to give love in the ways that you can receive it and you can understand it, इस तरीके से I think the relationships will be
happier
and stronger. Yes.
you know, I'm just concerned about, you know, this question is again and again coming in my head कि क्यों का hard काम करें यार? Why to learn the language of your spouse? Why to learn the love language of your spouse? Or why to do the hard work?
That's a good question. I would say अगर हम वापस अपने एग्जाम्पल पे जाते हैं पहले वाले, जब दो अलग अलग स्टेट से इंडिविजुअल्स हैं और वो एक साथ दे आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बी विद ईच अदर एंड बिल्ड अ रिलेशनशिप, अगर एक दूसरे के लव लैंग्वेज या अपना एक दूसरे का लैंग्वेज भी नहीं सीखते हैं तो फिर क्या वो कम्युनिकेट कर पाएंगे? विल देयर बी अ क्वालिटी रिलेशनशिप? एक्सप्रेशन ही नहीं होगा, है ना? बट ऑल ऑफ यू नो दैट गुड थिंग्स, you know, when you labor hard, obviously the fruit is the best. है ना?
I would agree with that. I think it's very, very important to learn your spouse love language. It's not the language, normal language, है ना? But love language.
And it is the hard work.
Yeah.
It will take a lot of time and it will be hard and challenging, tough at times. You wouldn't want to do it. But remember that love is intentional.
Yeah. Love is intentional.
Yeah.
That's a good point. Love is intentional.
Choice है ये आपकी, and you need to choose every day that I am married to my partner and I will look forward to fulfill the interests of my partner. Right?
Wrap this video up. So there are 3 takeaways. Okay. The first one is learn or identify what is your love language.
Yes. When you have identified your own love language, that leads to the second step, and that is learning or identifying the love language of your spouse. Right?
And the third one is, it's not just identifying. Okay, the first 2 things were easy. You identified your love language and your spouse or partner's love language. Now it's time to work, guys. So third one is start working. Take one step at a time, I would say. Start working or start understanding how I can, you know, learn how to speak her love language.
So it might be just the small deeds that you'll have to do daily.
Yeah.
For example, if you have identified that the love language of your spouse is service, serving है, right? तो आप एक दिन में एक चीज कर सकते हैं और मे बी एक वीक में एक चीज, right? Take it easy.
Yeah.
Don't pressurize yourself or take a burden.
Yeah.
Just go slow and ultimately it will build you up for sure.
Yeah.
And your spouse is definitely going to appreciate the hard work that you're doing.
Many of you might be working hard and building a house. I would say build a family, build a relationship. Work hard in that area.
So we will be going on this journey of learning the love languages in detail together. Stay tuned, please, and we will learn it together.
Yes, they will together. Okay? तब तक के लिए नमस्कार. मिलेंगे फिर अगली वीडियो में. Take care, guys.